Ma'am, this call was regarding Apple iPhone 11 Pro, which you have recently placed on Amazon. That's why we're calling you for the confirmation.
Okay.
Yeah. So, did you just purchase an Apple iPhone 11?
Yes, I did.
You did. Is your payment is clear?
I don't know. Should I check?
You did not pay.
Should have. My account is with, or my, you guys have, it's, I'm pretty sure it's gone through.
I beg your pardon. Can you just come again?
It's come
Can you just
through.
speak again, ma'am?
I believe, no, I believe the payment just like any of my orders, right? It should have been paid for, right?
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Right? Right?
So you have ordered Apple iPhone 11, right?
Yes.
And what was the amount?
I think it was about $700.
$700. And you want that phone, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So congratulate for you. But your payment is still on hold. May I know the reason why?
I don't know.
Did you pay or did you done online payment?
Yes, it's connected to the same credit card.
All right, no
The same
problem.
way I pay all the time.
All right. So how much you paid? You paid 700?
I think it was about 700.
Oh no, ma'am. You there was an offer, 60% off. Don't you know about that?
No, should I get back on Amazon?
Yeah, you're eligible to get an offer.
Oh, yay.
Yes, really. You don't
Yay.
want offer?
Yes, I want offer.
It's 60% off. You're getting your iPhone in 60% off. That approx $2,000. In $2,000, you're going to get Apple iPhone 11 Pro. All
For,
right. So
yay.
for that, ma'am, you have to cancel the recent order, and you need to make again the another order. That's how
Oh,
you can be able to avail the another like Apple iPhone 11 Pro with 60% off. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Are you in front of your computer? I'll help you to order that. Okay.
Okay, I'm not in front of my computer right now.
You're not in front of your computer,
No.
so you don't want to save your $500.
No, I do. $500 go a long way.
For that, you need you should have a computer.
Well, that's why I'm getting the iPhone.
No. From the computer, you can be able to buy iPhone 11 Pro in 60% off.
Okay, I thought that's what I did already.
You did what you did. You paid $700. You said right, but now
Yes.
you're getting Apple iPhone 11 in $2,000. I sorry, sorry. So sorry to say that. $200.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you're going to save $500. So don't you want?
Yes, okay. I'm in front of my computer now. I'm pulling up Amazon. Okay. I
No.
don't see the $200 phone on here. iPhone, you
But
said?
I'm here to show you.
Okay, all
You
right.
won't get it directly, ma'am. We are going to provide you 60% off. All right.
All right.
Which operating system you have? It's Windows laptop or Mac laptop?
Oh, is it this one? Apple. Okay, I just found this one. 5.99 on for Prime. Apple iPhone 11. Green.
You'll get that
I
Apple
like I
iPhone
like the
11.
can I get the green one? I like the green color.
You like the green color, right?
Yes.
All right. You're going to get it in $200.
Okay, but how come it's $600 on here?
All right.
Okay.
That is $600, right? But we are going to provide you one coupon through which you can apply for discount. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You need to open your Google, open your browser.
Okay.
Yeah, open your browser.
Okay.
What you can see on your screen.
Just my computer. I can see. I'm on the Amazon website right now.
Okay. Is your Apple computer or Windows computer?
Oh, it's Windows computer.
Windows. Look into your keyboard now. You'll find one control key on your extreme left hand side corner. Did you get that?
Yes.
Alright, just beside the control key, can you see four flag key?
Yes.
That's called Windows key. Press Windows key and press letter R together. And let me know what comes up on your computer screen.
It comes up. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows
Yeah,
will.
it's a run box, right? It's a run box, correct?
Well, oh yes, I see.
Just type there. If anything written over there, just delete that, okay?
Okay.
And now you have to type www.teamviewer.com, okay?
Okay.
Tell me what you have written.
TeamViewer.
Teamviewer. Is that correct?
Yes, I see it now.
Hit enter.
Okay.
What you can see now on your computer screen.
There's a button that I can download or I can see pricing.
Now what exactly you can see?
Remote access and support. Download for free or see pricing. Remote work solutions.
You need to you need to click on download for free.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
When
Uh,
it is downloaded, let me know.
I hit it. I don't see anything now. It went away.
You can't see anything now.
No, I
Click
hit
on
it.
download. Give a single click on download. That's it. And it will be downloading.
Okay, I did. I got it.
Alright. So is it downloading right now?
I don't know. I can't see it now.
Alright.
Oh,
Just look onto your keyboard, press Control key and letter H together. Press Control key and letter H.
okay.
What you can see on your computer screen.
Oh, I see it. It's down here. Okay, I didn't see it. It's down at the bottom. Okay, it's downloaded.
And what is that which is downloaded? Can you tell me? Spell it for me.
TeamVie.
All right. Read the whole thing. Read the whole thing. What it is written as.
T.
TeamViewer.
Yes.
After that,
Support.
support.
Oh, connect other user.
Connect a user.
Yes.
No, that's not correct.
Did I do the wrong thing?
That's the wrong thing. You check on your computer and tell me. You do not have to tell me from yourself, okay? Whatever is there on your computer, tell me that. You don't imagine and tell me,
I, what did you,
okay?
what?
Don't imagine anything and tell me. Just tell me what you can see on your screen. That's
Don't
it.
imagine anything?
Yeah. Is your TeamViewer is downloaded?
Yes.
What is the name of the file? Can you tell me? What is the name of your file?
It says, welcome to TeamViewer. TeamViewer setup. Default installation, run only, one-time use.
You need to install that TeamViewer, okay?
Okay.
Install it and let me know when you're ready to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
Then
being
what
kind
were
of
you waiting for?
salty.
You could have informed me.
Well, you're kind of salty. You seem like are you having a bad day? Did you not get enough coffee or something?
What you can see on your computer screen now? Can you tell me?
Same thing, TeamViewer.
TeamViewer and what else?
Scamazon.
You see TeamViewer and Amazon both.
Yes.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
My God. Provide the partner ID, okay?
Partner ID. Okay.
Yeah. Do you get the partner
Why didn't
ID?
you just ask for that? Yes, I have it.
Show. Tell me.
836
Eight
836
eight three six
073129.
073 129. 836 073 129. Is that correct?
139.
139.
Yes.
All right. That is a wrong ID.
Did you get it right?
Can you just yeah? Can you just
836
repeat once again?
129.
836073139. Correct?
No, 836
8362739 correct?
No, 836 273 139.
836273139. Is that correct?
Yes.
8362739 correct?
No, no, it's not. 836 273
Oh, be be a little slow, okay? 836 after that
273
273
129.
139.
129.
All right, one,
Shithead.
two, nine. Okay,
Tapped on your head a few times.
and that is incorrect. How is that possible?
I don't know. I don't know. Are you not putting it in right?
But I know, ma'am. You're playing with me.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
Yes, ma'am. You're playing with me.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
You're playing with me, ma'am.
Why? Why would I do something like that?
You haven't installed TeamViewer, and you're saying that you have installed TeamViewer.
Well, yeah, but
Should I disconnect the call?
no,
You
you
don't
hang
want
up.
any support on what?
You hang up.
Should I?
Hang up. Hang up. Hang up the
Why did
call.
you waste my time?
Hang up the call. Hang up the call.
Why did you waste my
Hang up the
time?
call.
Why did you waste my time?
Hang up the call, shithead.
Fine, but why did you waste my time?
Actually, I didn't waste your time at all. You know I didn't waste your time because I'm
You
keeping you.
said you
You're
said that you have downloaded TeamViewer and
no,
you
honey,
said that
sweetie. I know it's frustrating, but here's the thing: you're not Amazon, okay? Amazon doesn't call
so
people.
that's what you just
So
played with me, right?
what I'm trying to do. Yes, of course, you're my toy, okay? You're my plaything. But what I'm saying is that's what you get. Stop stealing. You gotta get a real job and you gotta find an honorable like this is not honorable work. You're stealing. Okay. He didn't want to hear.